Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. Today, we will be focusing on how to solve for the variable in the equation 6 times x minus 5 equals 13. By the end of this video, you will understand the step-by-step process for finding the value of x that makes this equation true. Let's get started. To solve the equation 6x minus 5 equals 13, we need to begin by isolating the variable x. Step 1. Add 5 to both sides of the equation. This is because we need to eliminate the minus 5 on the left side to isolate the term with x. Adding 5 will cancel out the minus 5. So rewriting the equation, we have 6x minus 5 plus 5 on the left side and 13 plus 5 on the right side. This simplifies to 6x equals 18. By performing this step, we've simplified the equation to 6x equals 18, making it easier to solve for the variable x in the next steps. Step 2. Now that we have simplified the equation to 6x equals 18, the next step is to isolate the variable x by dividing both sides of the equation by 6. This is done because we need to get x by itself, and currently x is being multiplied by 6. By dividing both sides by 6, we effectively cancel out the multiplication on the left side. So we rewrite the equation as 6x divided by 6 on the left side and 18 divided by 6 on the right side. This simplifies to x equals 3. By performing this step, we have now solved for the variable x. The solution is x equals 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.